Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to read Viber messages without seeing. And now let's dive right in. Now to read Viber messages without seeing, guys, first open up your Viber app, guys. And in order to proceed to see or read the message without seeing, guys, first you'll be required to turn off your connection. Either that may be mobile data or Wi-Fi. In my case it's Wi-Fi, so guys, turn off the Wi-Fi or mobile data and put it on airplane mode. And after doing that, guys, open the chat box of the person of whom you want to read the messages without seeing. And after reading the message, guys, after opening up the chat box and reading their message, simply go back and turn off your Viber app or exit your Viber app, and then clear the cache of that Viber app from the settings of your phone. To do that, open the settings on your phone and scroll down until you can find the apps option available for us. Tap on apps and tap on the app management on this interface at the top of the screen. And guys, when this loads, search for Viber app by tapping at the search bar at the top of the screen. Open it and you'll land on this interface where you can see the storage usage option available for us. Just below the data usage over here, tap on storage usage, and over here you can see the clear cache button available for us. Tap on the clear cache button, and that being done, guys, even if you turn back your mobile data or Wi-Fi and turn off the airplane mode, you will read the message without seeing on Viber app, guys. So let's go back to Viber, and that message will be still unseen on Viber even if you have read it. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to read Viber messages without seeing. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.